Okay, welcome to Blender, guys. Great to see you back. So today we are going to be making a light. So these are kind of dangly lights, kind of like art kind of studio lights. So what I'm going to do, let's go ahead and just quickly switch from Eevee to cycles, and I'm going to take the default cube right here. Let's go to scale this out, and then I'm just going to go ahead and shrink it back. So we're going to go G. Bring this up real quick, and then what I'm going to do, instead of making another square, I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this. So Shift D, duplicate. You want to go ahead, scale it down, and then scale it outwards just ever so slightly. So you've got that nice little bump just at the side there. Let's go ahead and go edit mode. We're going to take the top face right here, E-fret extrude, scale it in, and then E-fret extrude again, and then scale it in. And what we can do here is we can go to object mode, add, and then we'll go with cylinder. So let's go with G, bring the cylinder up, scale it down, and then scale it up. And this is going to be the wire for the light. So let's bring that up just there. Right click shade smooth, and then right click shade smooth on the base as well. So you're going to want an emission here, and then you're going to want a black texture here. So let's go with material. We can start with this one. Let's go ahead and make the black. So this is going to be the black material on this one, and then we can go to the drop down, select the same black material. Then this one in particular is going to be an emission. So let's go Principal BSDF, emission, and then we can turn this up a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and add a plane in here. Scale this up, and when we render we can see that we've got this nice little lighting going on. So with this lighting in particular, it's designed to be a drop with other pieces of lighting. So let's go G, bring this up a little bit, and then we can go Shift D, and then G, bring this up, select these two, and then you can go ahead and just start rotating them into random patterns. Select all of these. Let's kind of offset them just a little bit. Let's take this one. Let's move it down. Okay, so now we've kind of got this chandelier of lights. Let's add a ceiling. So we can take this floor that we've just made. We can go Shift D, move this up to wherever we need it to. If one of the lights is dropped a little bit low, that's fine. We can pick that up. Or you can extend the light itself. Okay, so this is what we've ended up with. And this is what they should look like when they're rendered. So you've got this nice little cluster of lights. I mean, it's just a little kind of art piece, really. And I mean, you can change the light tones as well. So like a nice blue. You can turn them down, turn them up, whatever you want. So yeah. Something for a little game or something like that. Maybe like a chandelier of lights. I don't know. Whatever you want to use it for, really. So yeah, if you guys liked and enjoyed the tutorial, please share. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.